Alright guys, so I'm back. This time I've got an upgraded RAM. So I just installed around 16 additional gigs to my 8 initial gigs. And the game seems to be working completely fine. Well, I say completely fine. I still see, some frame rate type issues when I move the views. It's not really issues as such, but it just doesn't feel that smooth. But it's working, I think, as expected. Oh, look, it's my main man, Vitalik. Let's say hi to him again. Who is that? If someone could tell me who that is, I'd appreciate it. Asia 2022. Okay. Alright, let's get back. So I think the goal is still the same. I need to collect some more money. Oh, bit of lag there. But, let's cross the Rainbow Bridge. Let's see if there's any money on the other side of the Rainbow Bridge. If you hold shift, you can run. But it's odd because, like, when you walk, you hear footsteps, but when you run, you hear nothing. So yeah, the lesson learned, if in doubt, more RAM. It's funny because before this, just wasn't really interested in building out my PC or whatever. But after looking into why the issues might happen, upgrading the RAM myself, I decided that at some point I'd love to make my own PC. I think that just sounds amazing. I feel like it would be a huge time sink for something that I probably wouldn't even really use. Like, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I don't feel like I have time to play like loads of games all the time. I spend a lot of time in ICP, so the metaverse is sort of an exception because I'm able to get to know people and build connections in the metaverse. But if you're playing games that I normally play, like let's say God of War, it's not exactly like you're socializing or doing other things. You're pretty much just pissing away time. I guess it's a bit like watching TV, but more interactive and just more time consuming. You can't just, at least I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I can't just switch it off and walk away. I feel like I need to sort of play until I get to like a certain point or whatever. All right, okay. So you can cross the bridge. Apparently, what a waste of time that was. You can cross the bridge without having to walk across the bridge. But the bridge was really cool. Love the idea. Rainbow Bridge. You guys know what is that rainbow bridge called in Thor? I think Heimdall like guards it or some shit. Who knows? Is there any bananas here? You know what? I need to. I need to go to the seaside. Well, I'm by the helipad, so I know that the helipad takes me to the seaside. Let's go. This teleporter should take me right near the seaside. Press I. Okay. Let's go. So they do have voice here, but I haven't had a chance to test it out because, I haven't been able to. I've just got my RAM, so I haven't been able to play properly till now. I haven't run into anyone else either. If I press M, can I see other people? I mean, I might be able to see other people, but not as it stands. Let me. I think that's a teleport, but not a person. Alright, okay. Cool. Get off the map. Continue on. Here's some water effects. That's nice. Wonder if it takes some time for things to spawn. No, can I touch the ball? Nope. Apparently not. It's not these ones. I think there were some balls over there back in the park where I should be able to touch them. There's usually some money around here, so just going to go quickly take a look. Oh, look, look, look. It's a goblet. It's a goblet. I think these give you a decent bit of money. Don't take it. 30, 55, 25? 25? Wonder if like the money is randomly generated or something, because this is pittance. What am I gonna do with 25? I mean, I wonder what the currency's called. Hope it's not going to be IC1101 currency. It's a bit of a mouthful. I don't know what I'd call it. Something small and easy. Alright, where can I go? I'll go over to here. That's where all the banana stuff was. Oh! What's that? What's that? Bananas? Yeah. Banana. Some of the sounds are not working as expected. So for example, during the entrance I'd expect to hear a sound. It did not play. $10 gold. This is just running on its own now. I'm not pressing a button. Okay, there we go. Alright, okay. Oh, coin, just coin on the floor, sure. Surely there must be a faster way. So there is one event that we have. It's called Pandora Battle. It says here, you gotta survive 10 minutes and be the last person left. Okay, so you gotta fight with a weapon. A blue zone surrounds the island. You will lose HP if you enter the blue zone. Keep away from it. The blue zone shrinks over time. Okay. Okay, and you get rewards. So I'm guessing that's the easiest way, really? That's the easiest way to do it. To make money, that is. But like, you know, you need 5 people for that. I feel like a lot of people have Macs at the moment, and maybe not the right spec, or just plain don't have access yet. So, oh, look at this money, money! I got me some dollar. I got me some dollar. That's right. Okay, so does this mean if I go higher, I get more dollar? Let's go try get some more of these sweet dollars. But how can I get higher? Hope this is not going to be one of those. Damn, girl. Look at that ass. Right, this way. So this is a Louis Vuitton shop. I am gonna... Nope, I can't put on clothes yet. Right. I feel like this look would complement my body. It's a bit of a Taylor Swift look. Right, is there stairs to go upstairs? No? Okay. Alright, let's go back. So while this is all happening, my cat's on the table and is annoying the shit out of me. Right, so why am I doing all of this? You see these elephants? I want one of these elephants. That's why I'm doing all this. Oh my god, look at him. He's got a bloody sword. I want them all. Really? I like that sword one. Sword one looks fucking badass. This is like a sort of minion elephant. No, I can not fussed about the minion elephant. I like the sword elephant. Alright. Okay, what is this? Do I get some money here? I feel like there should be money here. Okay. I haven't seen this before. They call me Jump Master General for a reason. Okay. Okay. That. No! I did it. Okay, so there is money here. This is worth doing. I'm going to go up here. Okay. I'm scared, bros. Alright, okay. I need those. No! It's over. Where am I? Okay, so where is the spot? I'm here. Let's teleport to the Louis Vuitton Center. And we'll be back. That one didn't count. This is it. This must be what it's like grinding in like World of Warcraft and stuff. Oh look, money. Let's pick that all up. Just $3 bills, y'all. Alright, so where were we? No! Oh, fuck's sake. This is fucking joke. Okay. Can I swim? Or do I just like walk around? Okay, so this is like a bug, right? This must be a bug. Okay, so if you fall into the water, you become an underwater creature now. And you just walk about. Is there any money underwater? I'd be okay with it if there's money underwater. Alright, I'm gonna have to be boring and teleport back. Sweet. Okay, cool. Where do I need to go? All the way here. Oh, money. So if I teleport back, do they generate more dollar bills? No? Okay. Not always, it seems. Oh shit. Okay. Sorry for my language, by the way. I get very tense while I'm like doing these sort of challenges. I'm actually a very I don't know what I was gonna say. Too focused on this. There's supposed to be money here. What is the point? Where is the money? What happened to the money? Am I going the wrong way? Where is my dollars? I think my dollars might be over there. I've been conned. Let's go back. No! Please, God. Please, no. Oh my god. Which way am I going? It's this way. If I run through here, do I get more money? No, I don't. So I think those ones there might be the real money platforms. Oh, look, yep, that's right. Okay. Okay. Where are they? What the hell? Where are they? Ooh, is that that's a UFO? Okay. Is that a money up there? No, those are other flying objects. Okay. Alright, okay. I see something there. No! Oh, so close. Okay, let's try going back up. Okay, well, you know what? I give up. But I think that's enough, really, for now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording, and I'm going to probably upload this video and just continue farming money, essentially. If I see anything interesting, I might do some small clips. Um, but I think what I'll do is once I farmed enough money, I will show you guys um, me buying the NFT that I want. So so till then, I guess have a good time. About Shinjuku High, stuff's coming, but we want to ensure that it's the best stuff that we can put out. I think you might know me as the guy around the IT space, but one of the things I've done over the last year or so is just be around all these NFT projects, and I know what's been good and what's been bad. Um, and we would rather just make sure that everything's right before we launch, rather than say, do something and then go, it's coming for 5 years when things start dying off. So we have a lot to look forward to. It's all been highly planned, and we're very skilled set of people working on it. Really excited to tell you more, but can't yet. So just stay with us and watch out for any news that we do send out. But yeah, anyway, it's been good, guys. I'll be back with you with another video soon.